My favorite song was Missy Elliott's 1 Minute Man, but the remix involved Jay-Z and not Ludacris. And he says, 50 grand, I get this on one take. Like, that's kind of how I feel about life. Guess what this is?
So I guess I'm not out because this is what B-roll is called, right?
So like your year is gonna be packed full of fun because it's under the moo-moo. I can't do anything simply in my life. I have just this innate ability to make everything difficult. But by difficult, I mean fabulous.
Apparently I have a coffee cup.
This one doesn't have pockets. Even though I'm sitting down and I have no need for pocket, I think I just felt the need to put my hand in my pocket.
I want to win! I'm going to win the king cake today. We're going to keep having fun. Ooh, signage.
Get at me. Isn't that what the kids say?